Anson Lo's Birthday Drone Show. About Anson Lo's birthday, all Hong Kong citizens will continue to ride the Star Ferry for free, and the Tsim Sha Tsui Pier has also been transformed into the Anson Lo Pier, with multiple large advertising spaces for followers to check in. In the evening, Anson Lo Sontos' SoaR Drone Performance was performed over the West Kowloon Cultural District. The performance lasted about 12 minutes. Starting at about 8:30 p.m., drones flew into the sky to display a number of related patterns that matched Anson Lo's birthday theme, SoaR, including his signature, hand-drawn pictures of himself and his Chinese name. Anson Lo said, "A very happy night, thank you, my family is very happy."